Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after so long, and today I'll be showing you how to get this easy and quick makeup look for this Diwali. To start off, I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer to prime my face, and I've already moisturized my face. For the foundation, I'm using Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff, and I'm applying it with my fingers first, and then using a damp beauty blender, I'm blending it in very nicely. You can also use a BB or CC cream instead of foundation if you like to. Next, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, and I'm applying it on the areas where I need more brightness or coverage, that are under the eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow and the chin area. Using the same beauty blender, I'm blending in the concealer, and I'm blending it in its place. I don't want to move the concealer because I need coverage on that area. Next, I'm using the loose powder from Fit Me in the shade Light, and I'm applying it on the areas where I concealed to set it in the place. For the eyebrows, I am using the Maybelline eyebrow pencil in the shade Brown. First, I am outlining the upper area and the lower area, and then I'll be filling in the sparse areas. To get natural looking brows, apply less product on the front part of the brow and more product towards the end. For the eyes, I'm using this lipstick. Yes, you heard it right, a lipstick from Wetnwild in the shade Ride on My Copper, and I'm applying it with my fingers all over the lid. Next, I'm using this dark brown shade from the palette by Wetnwild, Rose in the Air, and applying it on the lower lid area. Next, I'm using the Lakme eyeliner, and to apply the liner, I'm starting from the middle and then extending it towards the outer corner first and then the inner corner. Now for the wing, make a diagonal line facing upwards and join it straight with the rest of the liner and then fill it in. Next, I'm using the Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline and applying it on the upper lashes by starting from the roots and then also applying it on the lower lashes. For the blush, I'm using this blush from Blue Heaven in number 504 and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. For the highlighter, I'm using this highlighter from Incolor in the shade High Beam and applying it on my cheekbones, on bridge of my nose, on the Cupid's bow and on my chin. To fix my makeup, I'm using this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty and spraying it all over my face. Lastly, I'm using this creamy matte lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Flaming Fuchsia and applying it on my lips. As I've used neutral colors on the eyes, I'm going for a bright lip color to balance out the look. And that's it. We have finished this beautiful Diwali makeup look. I hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.